Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to configure power settings for performance and battery. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to configure power settings and performance and battery, you can use Lenovo Vantage power setting. Lenovo Vantage lets you adjust both control and power modes for maximum control. So to do it, simply head over to your start menu and open up your Lenovo Vantage application. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select device settings. Then here you can select the power menu. And once you're inside the power, here you can select the charging to conservation mode. These settings will help increase the lifespan of your battery. You can toggle this setting on and off using Vantage as well. And you can use the rapid charge while hibernating a shutdown. Your battery can charge much faster than normally as well. And if you toggle the rapid charge on, the conservation mode will be turned off. The next is to select the game settings. And once you're inside the game settings, you will find the option that says thermal mode right here. Simply select it. Now if you want to have performance, simply select the performance mode, which boosts your computer performance with higher fan speed and power consumption. Performance mode is applicable only when AC power adapter is on, and if you want to conserve the battery, simply select it to the balance mode, which automatically adjusts the performance and fan speed according to the system requirement. And you can also select the quiet mode, which reduces your computer performance and fan speed where possible with lower power consumption. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.